Formax presents the FD1406 Touchscreen Tabletop Pressure Sealer. The FD1406 AutoSeal Pressure Sealer with its color touchscreen control panel is the ideal low-volume solution for pressure-sensitive one-piece mailer, including checks, invoices, and marketing pieces. Pressure seal forms can be used for any document that can be printed and folded on one sheet, eliminating the cost of envelopes and creating a sealed, mail-ready piece. The FD1406 is one of the first tabletop pressure sealers in the industry to feature a color touchscreen control panel. With internationally recognized symbols in place of text, it's incredibly user-friendly, clearly marked fold plates, a 3-tire drop-in feed system, and the ability to process up to 73 forms per minute allow users to complete daily processing jobs with ease. The FD1406 is pre-marked for standard folds in 11-inch and 14-inch paper sizes, and can also be easily set for custom folds, including eccentric Z and C-fold mailers. To set up and operate the FD1406, begin by lifting the feed table and adjusting the side guides. Next, set the stock position for the top fold plate. Lift and remove the top cover, then loosen the black knobs and slide the fold stop to the correct setting on the fold plate. Tighten the knobs and replace the top cover. To set the bottom fold plate, remove the fold plate, repeat the same process as the top fold plate, and replace. When setting a half fold, simply remove the lower fold plate and rotate it 180 degrees so the metal stop is leading, and replace it as shown. Now, load the printed forms into the feeder and touch the green start icon. The resettable counter keeps an accurate count of processed forms. Before you know it, the forms are folded, sealed, and ready for the mail in one streamlined process. The FD1406 Tabletop Pressure Sealer is proudly made in the USA and built to last. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, it's an ideal solution for streamlining your mail processing.